Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Sunniest Stories Scrapbooking Kit. With this bright and bold kit, you can make 6 all-occasion spreads to capture your memories. It includes 12 sheets of patterned paper, 4 die-cut sheets, 4 cut-aparts, a sticker sheet, and a variety of cards designed for layering or journaling. It's easily customizable and includes printed sentiments in English, French, and German. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These spreads are wonderful for showcasing cherished moments. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!